Good afternoon. My name is Legia Putri Maharani. My student ID is 230204028, and I am here to present my lesson plans and the technology I'll use during the learning process. So for the first time, I'll try to do a share screen through the lesson plan. So actually, I chose project-based learning, and this is the second meeting. The learning outcomes is the students are able to recall an identification and expected to create a written text, announcement text, and through the draft, review, and redraft their writing using self-correction. And the elements, the skill is writing, it's producing announcement text. And the learning activities for the first time, the introduction is the teacher greets the student like, "Good morning, how are you?" And since it's the second meeting, so the teacher recalls the previous lesson by asking like what is the important part of announcement, what is announcement, and so on. Move to the core activities. Um, it's the first one is design a plan for the project and create a schedule. So first, the teacher reminds students about the generic structure of an announcement text, including the title, opening statement, details, and closing, and give the example of announcement text. And after that, student can choose a theme for their own announcement, like school event, and then move to the monitor progress. Here, for 15 minutes, students begin by outlining their announcement. They develop outline into a complete draft. And after they finish the draft, students type and publish their announcement using Frankenstein. So this is the website that I will use. And the fourth steps is to assess the outcome. Students review and revise their drafts to make sure that their announcement contain all the necessary parts, such as title, opening statement, details, and closing. So after they finish, students publish their final announcement text on a Frankenstein. They got feedback or comments and so on. For the plus part is is the evaluate the experience. It only took for 1 minute to ask students what new things they learn about announcement text during the lesson, and students can share their reflection. The teachers tell them the correct structure and the language feature on announcement text. Okay, then I will move the to the website first. Um, sorry. So this is an example of the Frankensteins, but this is actually the teacher parts. But if we want to continue use um the Frankenstein stories, let's try. For example, when we try to join it, the game. So this is the game code that the teacher will share this game code to the students so that they're able to play together. So basically this app is more into writing to assess their knowledge on producing the announcement tags here. Oh, it's loading. Okay, so when the students come to this website, there will be this page and appear on their phone, and then we choose play. And then we write the code f fyxpdu. Okay, fyxpdu, and then they enter join to enter the game. I think it's the internet connection is a bit slow. And then after that, we have the avatar. The students are able to choose which one they choose as a profile. It can be penguin and female, popcorn or chicken and zombies and so on. Okay. They also can create the name thing. Let's start. So it will be this is the first. There's a time. Writing start in 3, 2, 1. What even? So in this, they have like a times here to measure their writing. So when the time is up, it will continue to the next step. For example, it's about school. This is stages, this is scaffolding. It has a guided questions to them to be able to write their own announcement text. Move to the second part. When and where it will the event take place. So it is as the time, day, and location. Maybe Saturday at Center Park. Okay. Who should attend or contact for more information? Maybe who should attend the students and contact the teacher. It is for 95. Yeah. And then we can save to move for the next step. And then here we are, and the last part, they have to create their own announcement based on what they have written before. I'll just write like this. And this is the title. Maybe announcement for study tour. So here is it. The answer will be previewed by another person, the students can all see many results of their friends and they can do a vote right here. I think I forgot to put the notification to vote. And yeah, I think it is. And then we can see the report. Yes. I think that's all from my presentation about writing announcement. I actually haven't made the first meeting, and I'm not sure whether I'll use Frankenstein also for my first meeting. I'll try to figure out in the next meeting. Thank you very much. Wait, I'll try to stop share screen. That's all for me. Thank you very much.